The importance of IT in education. In today's digital age, technology is changing the way we learn and access information. The use of information technology (IT) in education has become increasingly important, providing students with new and innovative ways of learning. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of IT in education. Benefit 1. Access to information. One of the biggest advantages of IT in education is the access to a vast amount of information. With the internet, students can search for information on any topic and access it from anywhere. This has opened up new avenues of learning and research, making education more inclusive and accessible. Benefit 2. Personalized learning. It also allows for personalized learning. With adaptive learning technologies, students can learn at their own pace and focus on areas where they need more practice. This ensures that each student receives individual attention and is able to learn in a way that suits their unique learning style. Benefit 3. Collaboration and communication. It also facilitates collaboration and communication among students and teachers. Online learning platforms and tools allow students and teachers to interact and collaborate in real time, regardless of their physical location. This enables students to work together on projects and assignments, improving their communication and teamwork skills. In conclusion, the use of IT in education is crucial in today's world. It provides students with access to information, personalized learning, and opportunities for collaboration and communication. With technology constantly evolving, the possibilities for learning are endless, so let's embrace IT in education and continue to learn and grow in this digital age.